Coin surges to new heights on Binance Pi. Coin has recently made headlines in the cryptocurrency world, reaching an impressive price of $41.33 on Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally. This surge in value has sparked widespread discussion within the Pi network community, as well as among investors and market analysts. As the coin continues to rise, many are asking, is this the right time to sell, or should holders continue to ride out the wave? Pi Network's journey to this point has been nothing short of remarkable. Over the past few years, the project has grown exponentially, attracting millions of users worldwide. Now, with Pi Coin reaching a significant price point, many are left wondering what the future holds for the coin and what actions Pi Coin holders should take moving forward. What's behind Pi Coin's $41.33 price surge? Several key factors have contributed to the recent rise in Pi Coin's price on Binance: decentralization milestone and mainnet launch. One of the major drivers behind Pi Coin's rise is the imminent launch of Pi Network's mainnet and its progress toward full decentralization. This transition has sparked renewed confidence in the coin's future, as decentralization opens the door for greater use cases, wider adoption, and more applications within the Pi Network ecosystem. Many believe that once the mainnet is fully operational, Pi Coin will see a further boost in value. Growing global community. Another factor contributing to Pi Coin's surge is the rapid growth of its community. With over 35 million users worldwide, Pi Network has established a vast and engaged global following. As more individuals and businesses adopt Pi Coin for transactions and payments, the fundamental value of Pi Coin continues to rise. This mass adoption is not just a trend, but a testament to the growing relevance of Pi in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, expanding partnerships and projects. Pi Network has also been busy establishing strategic partnerships and launching new projects within its ecosystem. Collaborations with tech and fintech companies, as well as the rollout of applications built on the Pi Network, are all contributing factors to Pi Coin's increasing market value. These developments signal to investors that Pi Coin is not just another speculative asset, but a project with tangible use cases and long-term growth potential. What should Pi Coin holders do now? With the price of Pi Coin soaring, holders are now faced with an important decision. Should they sell or hold on to their coins for future potential? While the decision ultimately depends on each individual's investment strategy, here are some possible courses of action. Hold for long-term growth. For those who have faith in the long-term potential of Pi Network, this may be the time to hold on to Pi Coin. The project is still in its early stages, with much of its development yet to come. For those who believe that Pi Network will continue to expand and gain adoption, holding on to Pi Coin could prove to be a profitable move in the years to come. Sell some coins and take profit. For investors looking to secure some short-term gains, selling a portion of their Pi Coins might be a sensible option. With the price currently at $41.33, those who have been holding Pi for a while could sell a portion of their holdings and take profits. This strategy would allow them to capitalize on the coin's recent rise while still holding onto some assets for future growth. Diversify into other cryptocurrencies. Some Pi Coin holders might opt to sell a portion of their coins in order to diversify their portfolios into other cryptocurrencies. Given the volatile nature of the crypto market, diversification can help reduce risks and provide exposure to other projects with growth potential. Investors might choose to balance their holdings by exploring other assets that could complement Pi Coin in their portfolios. What can we expect from Pi Coin? Going forward, while the recent surge in Pi Coin's price has been exciting, many are wondering whether this upward trend will continue or if the price will eventually level off. Although predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is challenging, there are several factors that could continue to drive Pi Coin's growth mainnet launch and full decentralization. The full launch of Pi Network's mainnet is one of the most anticipated events for Pi Coin holders. As Pi Network transitions to a fully decentralized ecosystem, the coin will become more valuable as a functional asset. This major step forward could fuel further demand for Pi Coin, especially as new applications and services begin to be built on the Pi Network. Ongoing ecosystem expansion. The Pi Network ecosystem continues to evolve. From new partnerships to the development of Pi-branded apps and services, PiCoin is steadily becoming more ingrained in the global financial landscape. As PiCoin becomes increasingly integrated into real-world applications, its market value may continue to rise. The ongoing expansion of the Pi Network's ecosystem is a strong indicator of the coin's long-term potential. Community support and market sentiment. Pi Network's community remains one of the project's greatest assets. With millions of active users, the Pi community plays a pivotal role in driving the network's growth and adoption. This strong community support, coupled with positive market sentiment, can propel PiCoin's price further as more users join the network and participate in its ecosystem. Conclusion. Looking ahead for PiCoin, PiCoin's surge to $41.33 on Binance has captured the attention of the cryptocurrency world. As the coin continues to gain momentum, Pi Network's future looks promising, with its growing community, expanding ecosystem, and upcoming mainnet launch serving as key drivers of its success. However, as with any investment, it's crucial to stay informed and make decisions based on one's personal risk tolerance and investment goals. Whether you choose to hold on to PiCoin for the long term, take profits now, or diversify into other assets, one thing is clear: PiCoin is a project to watch closely. For those who believe in the long-term vision of Pi Network, this may just be the beginning of an exciting journey. As the network continues to develop and gain adoption, PiCoin could emerge as a dominant player in the cryptocurrency space. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.